Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to share with you sweet cucumber juice. We need 1 cucumber, 2 apple, and about an inch of ginger, then 2 heads of broccoli. Now, if you don't want too much any of this, you can adjust according to whatever you need. Now we are ready to start making our juice. For those of you who ask in the comment section as to what kind of juicer I am using, it is AMZCHEF. Just check the description box down below. I provide some link as to this kind of juicer that I am using. Cucumber is low in calories but high in water and several important vitamins and minerals. It also contains antioxidant. According to research, ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Broccoli are rich source of multiple vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It also contains antioxidant. Apples are good source of fiber and vitamin C, and it may aid weight loss in several ways also. Now that our juice is done, we just need to stir it a little bit to mix the cucumber, ginger, apple, and broccoli juice. So this is our sweet cucumber juice for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate for the support of this channel. And don't forget, check our description box down below. I provided some link for you to check out. And we also have a channel shout out. Check them also. They are very supportive and beautiful channel, which you will really learn a lot from them also. Thank you.